Okay, I'm going to tell you about my favorite book. Well, books, Harry Potter, because it's a series. This book tells us about the adventures of a young wizard called Harry Potter and his friends Hermione and Ron. I've read all the novels in this series more than twice, I assure you, and I guess it took me a few weeks to read each one from cover to cover. The reason why I like these books is, well, because I've always been a great fan of fantasies. The author writes in a very vivid way, and she describes so well that makes my imagination get going, and I really can imagine the fantasy world in which the main characters live in. I think that there is also some deeper themes that run through the books, like death, survival, love, oppression, and every person I know has interpreted them in totally different ways. I really enjoy the adventures in each series. I love in each books. I love the fact that every book connects to the other one, and after you've read all the 7, you can really see that the whole story was just thought well through. Obviously, I've seen all the films as well, which were really enjoyable, especially that you could just what you had in your imagination you could finally see on the screen. And I'm very disappointed that the whole adventure is all over. That's it.